Hello everyone. We are here in sunny Miami Beach, Florida. Can you hear me? Hello Megan. We are here in Miami Beach, Florida, specifically in North Bay. I apologize, I'm having some technical issues, so I'm a bit late and I cannot rotate my phone. So bear with me, okay? So this is North Bay Road, beautiful neighborhood in Miami Beach. And right behind me, the next stop sign back there would be Alton Road. So this is very conveniently located in Miami Beach. Beautiful, beautiful, safe neighborhood. I'll show you a little bit. This is the house we'll be showing today, 4323 North Bay Road. I'm gonna go in through here to show you the beautiful home and the front garden. This is your neighborhood if you decide to buy this gorgeous home in Miami Beach, specifically North Beach. And I know we have people joining from up north, so let me brag a little bit about our beautiful day, beautiful spring day here in Miami. Hi Kelly. So this is Lori with beautiful Miami. Kathrin is joining us as well in a little bit. So if you have questions, feel free to ask. Kathrin will be answering those questions. So this is the home we're featuring today in our virtual home tour. As we know, unfortunately, we cannot do in-person showings. But here we are, trying to get everyone to see our beautiful homes. So this is 4323 North Bay Road. That's the beautiful front garden of the house, very lush and private, as you can see. Again, if you're just tuning in, I know we have people tuning in from all over the States. Feel free to ask questions. Kathrin is also live, so she'll be answering any questions you might have. And let me take you inside. Yes, you, very beautiful house. This is 4323 North Bay Road. And again, this is our sign advising that we are not doing in-person tours. Unfortunately, at the moment, we're not allowed to due to local ordinances and regulations, but we'll be happy to give a virtual tour. My apologies again, I'm having some technical issues, so I am not able to turn my phone. It's not letting me do it. I can only do it vertically, so I'll do my best to show the house in detail. Again, if you have questions, let us know. We're here, I'm here live. I'm Lori, and Kathrin is also joining us. So let's go in. This is a 1956 home, fully updated back in 2009. So you will notice the house has been beautifully updated. It doesn't really need anything done. You can just bring your furniture, bring your clothes, and move in. The house was built and renovated to entertain. So as you can see, you have one big open space. We have shutters throughout the house. That's our beautiful kitchen, all renovated in '09. Beautiful quartz countertops. And I want to show you, because I think it's a great feature for this house, I want to show you the first and second room. This is a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. And there's a debate going on at the office because this house has actually 2 master suites. So we have the first and the second rooms that are about the same size, and they both have en suites, and they both have 2 closets each. So great feature to have. I'm gonna try to get in this corner so we're not against the light. Again, beautiful shutters throughout the house. Very useful in this beautiful sunny Miami weather. So this is the master suite. This has been designated the master suite, but again, the first and second rooms in this house are about the same size, and they both have an ensuite bath, also 2 closets each. So let me show you. This would be the first walk-in closet for this room. Very spacious, built out. Very comfortable. And then behind that wall, which is a very clever feature if you ask me, behind this wall we have the second closet. Again, built out, lots of light, very beautiful. And over here we have the master bathroom, beautiful marble, all well done, with a lot of taste. We have a steam shower and also a bathtub. Does not get any better than these guys, right? So as you can see, no detail has been spared. The owners really love this house very much. They poured their hearts into that renovation in '09. Hi, Sam. Hi, people joining us. So again, if you're just joining us, this is 4323 in North Bay Road, Miami Beach, specifically in North Beach. We're in the master suite at the moment. I'll walk the house again, so if you just joined, you don't miss anything. I'm gonna take you now into the second bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom. Right here we have a linens closet. I'll show you a little bit so you don't miss anything. Lots of space. If I'm going too fast, let me know. I don't want you to get dizzy. I'm having some technical issues, so my phone is only doing lives vertically. I apologize for that. That's the AC handler right there. So we're walking into the second bedroom. So you can see we have 1 closet here on the left. I'll show you. Built out as well, lots of space. Again, beautiful white shutters throughout the house, perfect for this Miami hot weather, especially in the upcoming summer. That's extra storage space, but this is the second closet I was telling you about. So again, 2 out of the 3 bedrooms in this house have double closets and ensuite bathrooms, all built out. That is the ensuite bathroom for this bedroom. Very beautiful as well. Hi, Gregory. Thanks for joining. And now I'm gonna take you to the main living area. We already saw a bit of the kitchen, but I want you to see it in detail. It's been done very beautifully with a lot of attention to detail. And so let me show you a little bit. This is the formal living room. Thanks, Kathrin. I told you guys she's watching. This is the kitchen, all quartz countertops. Let's go there and I'll bring you back and I'll show you the dining area and the third bedroom. So as you can see, loads of storage as well. And the kitchen opens up into the main living area, so it's a beautiful home to entertain and have your loved ones over. We have a little wine cooler down here, my favorite in any kitchen. Double fridge and more storage space. And I want to show you something that a lot of people miss in this house, and that is the bonus room. So we have a bonus room behind the kitchen. It was used as a playroom by the previous owners. It could be an office, it could be an informal dining room, it could be anything. Through those doors, hi Osmani, through those doors you go to the backyard. I can't forget to mention that this house is very low maintenance because the back part of the house is a terrace. I'll show you in a little bit. Let me show you a bit of the laundry room. So behind these doors, we have a washer and dryer, but it's a very spacious room as well. So we have a sink, we have storage space down here. All the way back there is the dryer. And once you close the doors, you cannot see anything. Right, let me take you outside so you can see the terrace I was talking about. And again, I know there's people joining from all over, so are you up north or somewhere cold? I'm gonna brag about the beautiful spring day we're having here in sunny Miami Beach today. So you have a beautiful deck out here with a seating area. Nice and lush landscape throughout. And even more space back here for a nice barbecue, a hot tub, whatever you might enjoy back here. Everything is impact windows, impact doors. Again, the house, if you're just joining us, the house was completely remodeled in 2009. It's a 1956 home. Has some elevation as well. So we're going back inside, again to this beautiful kitchen. No detail has been spared. And we walk straight into the dining area. Beautiful and spacious as well. Shutters throughout the house. And behind here, we have the third bedroom. So this bedroom has been used as an office for the last few years, but it is a full bedroom. It has, again, a double closet. Loads of space. I'm sorry that the image is a bit shaky. I forgot my stick at home, so my apologies. I hope you're enjoying the tour. So now, if you just joined and you missed the outside bit, I want to go back out there because it has a beautiful garden in the front of the house with space for a plunge pool if you'd like. Again, if you have questions, Kathrin and I are here to answer them. So feel free to type your questions below. I'm going to point out an extra closet. It's the good thing about 1950s homes, right? Lots of storage space, which we don't get with 1920s, 30s, or 40s homes. But here we are. So this is an extra closet. And this is the half bath that I mentioned earlier. I'm going to take you outside. And we're gonna wrap things up. All right, thank you for watching. So this is your beautiful front garden. There's space for a plunge pool on this side if you'd like. And because it's so lush and so private, You don't even need to build a gate or a fence or anything. It is gated at the moment, but you can barely tell because of the beautiful landscape and the hedges, right? Hi Chloe, thanks for joining us. So this is 4323 North Bay Road in sunny and beautiful Miami Beach, specifically North Beach. We're near houses of worship, schools, loads of restaurants, supermarkets, everything you might need. Mount Sinai is also nearby. But this is a very quiet street. I'll take you outside again and I'll show you a little bit. We're right on North Bay Road, Miami Beach. And just a block from Alton Road. So you are on 112 on the expressway in exactly 45 seconds. You don't have to deal with any Miami Beach traffic. And then again on the weekends, you are a 5-minute drive or Uber drive from all the fun restaurants, bars, clubs, Fontainebleau Hotel, you name it. So this would be the neighborhood if you decide to buy this beautiful property. And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Thanks for joining.